Hello, I'm Ali, a 3D character art director with over 12 years of experience, worked on well-known titles. In this course, I'll show you how professional artists learn anatomy in 10 structured chapters. We begin with proportions and skeletal landmarks, then the entire body, torso, shoulders and back, arms, hands in detail, hip, thighs, and lower legs, feet, head and neck, and finally we explore male and female differences and age-based proportions. In each chapter we study muscles, fat pads, tendons, their surface shapes, origins, insertions, and their actions. Then view them in 3D to remove any ambiguity. You'll practice by tracing muscles on real images and 3D scans of real people. Each chapter comes with an assignment folder and access to my private Discord channel to grab the assignment answers, ask questions, and share your results with other students. You also receive a 3D skeletal mesh to use as a study reference throughout the course. Whether you're a 2D or 3D artist, complete beginner, an intermediate, or professional looking for fine-tuning your anatomy knowledge, this course is for you. If you study it properly and practice consistently, I can confidently say you will not need any other anatomy course.